Welcome back. Now, keeping up a good oral health care routine throughout your life is the best way to keep you happy and healthy for longer. But a good oral health care routine extends way beyond just brushing your teeth and should include a mouthwash in your routine. Mouthwash kills the germs in hard-to-reach places of your mouth. And Dr. Zak Schabort is here to tell us everything we need to know about keeping our teeth in check. Welcome, Dr. Z.
Thanks, Bonnie. So nice to be here. Just to let you know, I'm not slurring. It's the braces.
Yeah, I like those. I've never seen that colour braces before.
You. They're quite clear.
Yeah, they are quite clear. So, what needs to go into a healthy oral health routine daily?
You cannot underemphasize oral health care too much. I think it's so important to not only brush, because brushing alone only destroys 25% of the bacteria, but we have to look at the mouth as a whole. You know, look at the tongue, getting a mouth rinse involved, flossing every day, making sure that you are going to be able to maintain that beautiful smile for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
You know, it gives us the confidence that we all need, but it also gives us function. You can have all the money in the world. If you don't have your teeth, you won't be able to enjoy your food. You won't be kissable. You won't be able to enjoy your life to the fullest. So oral health care is so important, and significantly it's becoming more and more important because we've got studies now to prove that through our meridian planes, our teeth are connected to all of our organs. So chronic fatigue, chronic illnesses, they can all be as a result of having an infection in your mouth. So it's very important to start by being healthy, by checking your mouth out.
Yeah, this is serious. And as adults, how often should we be visiting the dentist?
So
starting from never.
Twice a year is ideal, because we really want to make sure that we catch any form of infection or cavity early. You know, that we can only sometimes detect by an X-ray. So if we look at the outer layer of the tooth, dentistry can be much less invasive if we detect some cavities earlier. So then we don't have to have all of these scary procedures done. You know?
Yeah. And so obviously we need to extend, from what I'm hearing, our oral health care beyond just brushing teeth. What else do we need to add to the routine?
Well, definitely flossing, definitely tongue scraping, and definitely rinsing with a mouth rinse. If you can do that, that's amazing. The Listerine range, I personally love that.
Yeah.
That also helps to maintain the whiteness of your teeth. So, but all in all, we can't just brush on itself.
Yeah. And what would you say to adults who are afraid to go to the dentist, who've had like really terrible experiences with the dentist as children? Speaking for myself, we're always terrified. You were saying earlier that the technology has changed.
The technology has really changed, and the general feeling of going to the dentist is becoming more of something that's a fun experience. It's really nice to go to the dentist nowadays. It's not a scary office anymore.
Yeah.
The staff are all well trained, everybody's friendly, and everybody's there to you know, serve you to improve your health.
Yeah.
So it's really benefiting you, and you can have a beautiful experience at the dentist.
Absolutely, and obviously dentists are becoming more good-looking and more stylish.
Thank you.
What are the common misconceptions around oral health care among adults?
So I think sometimes some patients come to me and they say that they have genetically bad teeth. So they think that they have all these cavities because of the fact that their parents also had cavities. But that's obviously a misconception. Nurture is key here. So we can maintain our mouth by looking after ourselves.
Yeah.
You know, it's either sugar consumption normally or drug abuse that leads to these problems in your mouth. So eliminate those, make sure that you keep your mouth clean.
Yeah.
Always carry a water bottle with you. Drink the water, that's great, that's beautiful, but also, you know, rinse your mouth thoroughly all the time.
Yeah.
Be kissable.
Wow. Yes, be kissable. Well, I'm going to come to you for that. Thank you so much.
Nice to be here.
So next up, we tackle bad breath and how you can treat and prevent it altogether. Dr. Zak Schabort will be back next week to give us all the insight we need into this important topic.
Brushing alone doesn't clean your whole mouth. Don't just clean your teeth, clean your whole mouth. Complete the clean with Listerine.